Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about inserted text in HTML using INS tag. So guys, basically anything that appears within the INS starting and the ending element is displayed as the inserted text over here in the HTML. So let us check this with the help of example in the VS Code. So what we will do is we will simply have a paragraph. So we have the P tags over here, and then we will say this text is inserted in this paragraph. So guys, this is a very simple paragraph. It is having the statement that is this text is inserted in this paragraph. So let me just save this file now, go to the browser and reload this page. So as you can see, we have the extra paragraph that this text is inserted in this paragraph. Now guys, what we will do is we will make this text is inserted, only these three words appear in between the INS starting and the ending tag. So over here in the VS Code, we will have the start tag, that is the INS tag, and then we also have the end tag over here. We will simply cut this and paste it after the inserted word. So basically we have enclosed text is inserted, these three words within the INS starting and the ending tag, which stands for inserted. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, text is inserted is being underlined now, and guys, this is the meaning of the INS tag. So basically whatever content we put inside the INS tag, it will be underlined. So the functionality of the INS tag is similar to that of the underline tag, that is U tag over here, since both of them are used in order to underline the text. In this case, we have used the INS starting and the ending tag over here. So guys, this is the main functionality of the INS tag. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is deleted text in HTML using the DEL tag. So stay tuned.